up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a quick little refurbish of some new wheels that I recently bought. Because right now it's winter time in Sweden, so if you are going to drive on the roads, you need to have legal winter tires. If you get lucky, which I did this weekend, where it's dried up, no snow, and there are some plus Celsius degrees, it's okay to drive on summer tires. But if you get stopped, it's the police that makes the choice if it's winter roads or summer roads. So you have to obey the law. So I'm gonna do this right. So I just bought like the cheapest tires I could find. So this is a 17-inch OEM Saab 95 Aero wheel, the rim, and I love this design. I have had it on previously on some older 95 Aeros, and this design and these rims are so easy to clean because of the big face of the rim, not so many spokes. And they are wrapped in some studded tires, which is suited for Sweden. These were kind of cheap because it's missing some studs, but the wheels are super corroded. So this is what happens with aluminum wheels if you don't take care of them. And this is a big no-no also. If you have aluminum tires, you don't use these type of weights. Never. But this is not like the finest wheels in the world, so today I'm gonna make them a little bit more nice. So we're gonna grind this off, sand them down a bit, and apply some new paint. So I had a pull up on my Instagram page, which you can follow down here, and I had three choices: go with new silver, yellow, or other color. And most of the people right there shows the silver color, which is the standard like OEM type of look, which I really dig also. It's fun to do something different, but not so many was interested in the yellow. I would have thought it would have been really cool to just try it out, because this is some just winter beater rims. I don't care if they get slaughtered, I don't care if this painting goes well, it's just to make them a little bit more nice. And the third option was the other color, so I have some colors to choose from, a few different cans. These are pretty interesting. They are like fluorescent. They are like lighting in the dark almost, but I think I'm gonna go with this like aluminum metallic finish and use some paint from Rust-Oleum. This was the other option, the yellow ones. I think they would have been really cool in yellow, but anyways, so we're gonna just mask off the face of the tire and then start to grind them down to get a little bit better finish for the color to attach to. Then we're going to apply an adhesion primer, then the color, and then some clear coat, and hopefully they turn out much nicer than they are right now. But as I said before, they are just like winter beaters, so I don't really care about the result, just want a little bit nicer than this. So here we go. applied one layer of the aluminum color and I really don't like it. I think this looks super ugly, so now I'm just gonna go like freebase and try to save it somewhat. I think this looks super ugly. This was not the way I planned it to be, but this is the case sometimes. So now I'm gonna go over with some gunmetal paint and try to save this, and we will see how it goes. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a really quick fix. I would say everything bunched together took like 1.5 hours or something like that, and the result came out pretty good. My initial thought was to go silver, but now it got like a gunmetal gray instead, which is perfectly fine. As I said before, winter beaters don't care too much, but now they have a little bit gloss to them and they look a little bit more fresh at least. It's not perfect, far from it. You could spend hours on prepping the wheels and sanding them down and you will get a much better result. And since I didn't have the correct color, I almost ran out on color on the last wheel, etc. But in the end, everything came out amazing and it didn't cost nothing. I had everything on the shelf, so give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!